Assalamualaikum. Peace be upon you. My name is Aisha Fatima. I am a student. Today is 26 January. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. The
Constitution of India
Constitution India
came into force
came into force
on
on
26
36 January 1915. 1915. I love
my India.
my India. Thank you.